Whenever I get mad at everybody or things aren't going well, I sit down and paint some figures. When it's over, I feel much better. I love this army. It doesn't play very well, but it's cool. These guys will be a really great army once I get the flocking and ground cover put down for them. But they'll move eventually from a sack of unpainted figures. They'll get painted on these sticks. They'll get assembled onto armies, and then they'll get based, and then they're ready to go. This is what they look like when they're ready to do battle. I'm in the mediocre group of players, but I really enjoy painting. And I will do, say, maybe 8 of these at a time, and I just put them up there, and so I can go very, very quickly, you know. Helmet, boots, skin. This is my stress relief. When the world's collapsing around me, I get these guys out. They just stand there. They don't sass me. They don't run away. They just stand there.